How to make a mini grinder. Use this box, plastic box, and cut the piece, this blade, plastic blade, this motor, okay, and this button, this Nokia charger, okay. Start now. And this use cut it. Use the glue gun. Okay, and this blade, and this ready. And this, please to try this. Okay, easy now. This idea I tested